Hello, and welcome to 1560 22nd Street. Today we're going to be touring a spectacular luxury condo located in the heart of Potrero Hill. This is the exterior of the building. It's located in a fantastic location. This unit comes with 2-car tandem parking. It is in a shared garage over here to the left. And now we're going to head on up to the unit. This is a bi-level unit, so you have 2 bedrooms up on the main level and then 2 downstairs on the lower level. Okay, so here we are. This is a fantastic space, but we're going to start this tour off towards the front of the building. This is the master bedroom. It is very, very large. This bedroom also comes with an enormous walk-in closet. There are custom cabinets and drawers, plenty of shelving. You also have a bay window with window seating. It overlooks beautiful greenery located directly in front of the home. You have an ensuite bathroom with separate bathtub and shower, double sink, beautifully remodeled with high-end finishes. There is your shower head and your toilet is tucked away in the back here. And from the bathroom, you have the same view as the bedroom, and it is very private. Okay, so let's head on out to the other parts of this magnificent condo. Before we head to the common space, this is a nice big closet here. You also have a half bath, so your toilet, beautiful pedestal sink. Over here to the left is the second bedroom. You do have a nice big closet here. There is no window here, but it is ideal for a kid's room or a home office or a guest room. It is spacious, beautiful wood floors throughout. Nice seating area here, and we'll get to downstairs in a little bit. You will especially love this magnificent floor plan. Kitchen, dining room, living room combination. You have a gas fireplace, direct access to a private patio, very large area for your dining, kitchen island, and a spectacular kitchen. You have all designer appliances. There's your dishwasher. You have a stainless sink, gas range, and refrigerator. It is open to the dining room and living room. As you can see, you have lots of natural light, and it's a very flexible floor plan and beautiful views of Potrero Hill. And from the living room, you have sliding doors that will take you to a beautiful patio, large enough to fit a grill and seating. Take a look at this amazing view. Okay, so now we're going to head on downstairs where we'll find the other 2 bedrooms, full bathroom, direct access to an amazing, very large deck, and private laundry. Okay, so here we are on the lower unit. Straight ahead is the 3rd bedroom. Each of these bedrooms are very large, and they all have good sized closets. Here's the view out this window here. There's the deck, which we will walk on to momentarily. And this bedroom has a very sizable closet. Over here to the left is your private laundry room. So nice big front loaders. This will take you into a nice deep closet. Full bathroom with double sink. And this door takes you to the bathtub. There's a separate shower with good sized shower head. And there's your toilet. Okay, so here is the 4th bedroom. It is currently being used as an office. This does have a generous sized closet as well. And from this room you have direct access to a very large deck. There's a screen door with amazing views of Potrero. If you're interested in this very special place, please visit rentalsnsf.com. Thanks so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.